Hello. We're going to be reviewing, well no, not reviewing, but an unboxing of a drone S177. Has optical flow, dual cameras, supposed to be great in the wind, supposed to be a lot of great little things it's supposed to be able to do. Let's do an unboxing of this. Let's get this thing open. Oh, let's take, oh, this side ain't. Alright, let's take this box out. Look at this case. Look at that. It looks like it's waterproof. It's a little different material than I normally see it. Looks nice. Got a leather feeling too, you know. Pretty cool. Nice little case. Let's see what's inside. What kind of presents do you think we got, guys? Huh? I bought this because it was wind resistant and because of the body style. I've never flown anything with this kind of a body. So check this out. Oh, it's upside down. Let's try that again. There we go. Not bad for the foam inside. Still, it's just to carry your quad. I mean your drone, excuse me. Keep on saying quad, because that's what we used to fly back in the day. We didn't have this kind of technology. But ain't that cool looking? Check out this video. You know, that's the standard stuff. I mean, nothing great. I mean, you're up and down. Your regular, you know, hold your phone. Camera buttons on top. You know, speed controller. I mean, this is all, you can tell by the icons they use. I mean, it's a standard thing. I paid 60 bucks for this. Got this from Temu. You know, everything comes from them mainly. But anyway, this is cool looking. Let's put this to the side right now. We don't need a controller. We want to see the bad boy you want to be flying, huh? Yeah, let's open this thing up. So the rear comes out first. This is supposed to have obstacle avoidance, brushless motors. It's supposed to be wind resistant. But yeah, check this bad boy out. It only come with one battery. That's all it came with. The obstacle avoidance, it looks like they're on the side here. Show the back in the back. And it looks like there's one in the front. Your obstacle avoidance. Again, test them before relying on them on all obstacle avoidance. Make sure they're clearly working for what your intentions are. But otherwise, yeah, look at this thing. Wicked cool. Got camera in the front. Oh, it looks like it's move on the radio. That's cool. But yeah, it's a nice little quad. Great to fly this. I'm sure you guys would like to see this. But anyway, if you like the video, give me a like. You want to subscribe so you can see other things that I do and what's to come. Subscribe. But otherwise, yeah, I got this from TMU on a slow boat. About 60 bucks. But yeah, I'm going to test it out. Hey, oh yeah. Let's check out the lights. I slapped the battery in. Look at this. It looks like a little demon. Look at them lights in the front. Nice green lights underneath. It looks like red lights in the back. So when you're up in the air, you can see what's front and back. When she's probably horizontal, you're gonna, that gets a little confusing, huh? Red, well, I know blue's the rear. But yeah, that's wicked cool. Look at them lights. It's a demon. That's what it looks like. Anyway, if you'd like to see more testing of these things, I'm not going to be flying anything that's over $100. I'm going to tell you that right now. I'm going to try to stay under $70. That's my goal. Fly these things. A lot of people go out and spend hundreds of dollars on a drone to get an advertisement saying this is the greatest thing in the world. And I mean, they spend hundreds. They fly it twice, the next thing you see it on Craigslist. If you're not seeing it on Craigslist, you're seeing it on Facebook. They don't want to fly it anymore. I just paid $900 for this thing, but it's boring. Yeah, they do get boring if you're just going to do aerial photography. I mean, how many roofs can you look at? How many pools? How many waves? How many vacations are you going to go on? But me, I'm a budget drone flyer. I need to get out of the chair every once in a while, go outside and crank one of these babies up and have a good time. It's also a hobby, as they would say. And it's a good thing to teach kids too. In today's environment, you can get the kid off the phone. I can get them to fly one of these babies. I'm doing pretty good. So, and they can actually use their phone. Think about it. You got your kid taking the iPhone or their Android, and they're actually doing something. They're learning something. Instead of sitting there going, scroll, 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 scroll. No, what did Joe say today? I got that kid out there using his phone trying to FPV, if not FPV, take videos or do something. Because these make great backyard flyers. So don't be fooled by some of these. They could actually work out for you. So again, if you want to see some more of these, I've got 3 more on its way that I'm going to also be testing. See if they're worth their money. Okay? This is $60. Let's find out if it's worth $60. So, again, subscribe or give me a like. And we'll see you on the backside.